Most people think you need to pay for Kling AI, but today I'm going to show you a website where you can use Kling 3 completely free with daily credits and no watermark. And honestly, this might be one of the best AI video workflows right now. What's up, guys? Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to access Kling 3 through RoboNeo and create cinematic AI videos without paying for expensive subscriptions. The crazy part, RoboNeo gives free daily credits and includes multiple premium AI models in one place. The website is called RoboNeo. RoboNeo is basically an AI creative platform where you can access models like Kling 3.0, Veo, Sora, and more from a single dashboard. And unlike many AI tools that instantly force you into paid plans, RoboNeo actually has a free tier with daily credits. First, open RoboNeo and create a free account. You don't even need a credit card to start. After logging in, go to the AI video section and select Kling 3.0 as your model. Now type your cinematic prompt, for example, a cyberpunk street at night, cinematic lighting, slow camera movement, ultra-realistic, rain reflections. Then click Generate and wait for the AI to create your video. What I personally like is that RoboNeo combines multiple AI tools in one platform, so creators don't need 5 different subscriptions anymore. Quick tip: if you want better results, always include camera movement, lighting, mood, and environment details in your prompts. That's the difference between beginner AI videos and cinematic AI content. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe because I'll keep posting free AI tools, Kling tutorials, and cinematic prompt tricks. Comment Kling free if you want my advanced PDF pack.